Okay, so I do live on one and I do on demand on another. So I have two. It's a lot. It's a lot, ladies. Okay. Happy Tuesday. Let's go ahead, grab your ball, grab your weights. I have 5s and 3s today, so a little bit heavier. But you do you, as usual. Let's take it, feet about hip width distance apart, and then just root down through all 4 corners. Pull your waist in, reach up. Nice deep breath in. Exhale, bring it down. Sweep your hands all the way down to the ground and roll it up 1 vertebrae at a time. One more time, root down, reach up. Opposition is the name of the game. Reaching, pulling, bring your hands down. And then take your left foot wide. So we're gonna start in plie squats. Knees come wide, tailbone comes straight down towards the ground. We're gonna do 2 counts down, 2 counts up. So it's down, 2, up, 2. When you bring it up, pull your heels together, squeeze your glutes, down, 2, squeeze, squeeze. Squeeze your glutes, feel your inner thighs firing up. Make sure you stay nice and stacked, ears, shoulders, and hips. Again, pulling your waist in, up, 2, down, 2, up, 2. Take it down. Press through your heels, bring it up. So opening up through our hip flexor, starting to build a little bit of heat in our lower body. Nice deep breaths. 3 more. 2 more. On this last one, we're gonna hold it low. So hold it low, press weight in your heels. Make sure you can wiggle your toes around. Pull those knees back past your hips so you can sink a little bit lower. And from here, hands come to heart center. We take little pulses down, little down. Take it down, little down, little down. So with these plie squats, we're nice and stacked. Ears, shoulders, hips. Rather than sumo squats where we send our hips back and keep the weight in our heels. 3 more, 2 more, last one. Hold it low, take your arms up, and then we're gonna come opposite arm to opposite inner thigh. Stretch, feel an opening in your side body. So lean over to your right side. Deep breath in, other side. So you should still feel active in your quads here. Nice side body stretch, nice deep breath in. We're gonna do 1 more on each side. Deep breath in, reach. Oh, last one, take those arms wide. Little down, little down, little down. Take it down, little down. You guys feeling this? For 3 more, 2 more. Last one, hold. Walk your feet in. Send your hips back. Hands come to heart center. Let's add some movement here. Chair squats. So hips come back. Weight is in your heels. Take those arms back, forward, back, forward, back. So chair squats. Feet are about hip width distance apart. Again, hips come back. And then add those arms. Start to get our shoulders and our chest warmed up. Down, reach. Let your shoulder blades come away from your ears. 3 more, 2 more. Arms come up and over. Drop, reach, reach, reach. Drop, reach, yes. Reach. 5 more, 4, 3, 2. Last one, hold it low in your chair squat. Hands come to heart center. Your right leg. Over. Curtsy squat. Reverse. Lunge, not squat. Curtsy lunge. Reverse lunge. Curtsy lunge. So weight is centered over your left thigh. Left heel. And then we're coming into that curtsy lunge. Straight back into a reverse lunge. Keep your shoulders stacked right over your hips. 2 more. Last one, hold it here. Okay, so you're holding it in this reverse lunge Knee comes straight down towards the floor. Weight is in your front heel. Little down, little down, little down, down. Take it down, little down. Quick check-in, knee is not coming past your toes. Little down, little down. For 5, for 4, 3, 2, last one. Start to hinge yourself forward, pressing your weight into your front heel, straighten your back leg. Come forward. 80% of the weight is in your front heel. Now 90. Now see if you can put 100% into your front heel, activating your front hamstring. Lift your back toe up. Off of the floor, make sure you've got a bend in your standing leg. Arms come forward. Squeeze your glute. Keep those hips square. Balance challenge, hold, breathe. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Nice job, tap it down. Beautiful. Coming back to chair squats. Add some movement. We gotta do the other side. Drop. Oops, I forgot to set my watch. Drop. Drop. 5, 4, 3, 2. Okay, here we go, last one. We're going into that curtsy lunge. Reverse. So again, knee comes straight down towards the floor. We're never fully straightening our front leg. So your front quad should be on fire. Back one too, both of them. You're welcome. 2 for 1, hold. Stay with me. So you can definitely slow this down at home. It's all about control and balance. Reaching the crown of your head towards the ceiling. Almost there. 3 more. 2 more. Nice job. Okay. Last one. Hold it in your reverse lunge. From the side, this is what it looks like. Reverse lunge, that back knee is straight down towards the floor. Heel is stacked over toe. Little down, little down, little down, little down. Start to hinge forward. Straighten that back leg. Press 80% of the weight into your front heel, firing up your hamstring on the right side. Hinge forward, here we go. Lift off, bring that toe up off the ground or as close as you can to it. Squeeze your glute, bring your arms forward, bend, bend, bend. Make sure you're bending in your front leg. Hold, squeeze your back glute. Ooh, hips stay square, core is strong. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Tap it down. Bring it forward. Nice job, ladies. Little squat, tap. Squat, tap, squat, tap. Get that blood moving. Ooh. Shake out those quads and hamstrings. Tap, tap. Little tap. So when you bring that leg up for a tap, squeeze your glutes, squeeze your quads. Tap, tap. 5, 4, 3, 2, last one. Bring it low. Go ahead and take a twist over to your right. Feel a stretch in your inner thigh. Deep breath in, exhale as you twist to the opposite side. Whew. And then come on over to a lateral lunge. Feel a release in your left inner thigh. And then one more on this side. All right, crew, we're going to come down to the mat. We got planks. Maybe take one more of these, and then we'll meet on the mat. Roll it up. Do this. Coming down, starting on all fours. Wrists right underneath shoulders. Nice deep breath in. Pull your waist in and then tap your right leg back. Just like that. Deep breath in. Keep your hips stable. Take your other leg back. This is your perfect plank. Try to hold it. Now pull your belly button. Tuck it up and under. Little bend in your elbows. Chin is off your chest. Find it. Breathe into it. Adding movement. We're doing right tap, right knee. Like this. Right, left, knee, knee. It's right, it's left, knee, knee. Stay with it. Right, it's left, knee, knee. Yes. So I'm following the beat here, but as always, find that control. Find your breath. Find what works for you today. And take breaks when you need them. Knee, knee. Stay with it. Right. It's left. And if you take breaks, just jump back in. Right. Left. Knee. Knee. Right. Left. Stay with me. Right. Left. Squeeze those obliques when you bring your knee in. It's squeeze. Squeeze. One more. Yes, hold. Hold for 10. Woo. 9. 3, 2, 1. Yes, bring it down to your knees, send your hips back. Roll your wrists out. Heels under. Pull your belly button up towards the ceiling. Here we go. Lift those knees up off the mat a few inches. We're going to add movement here. Taking our knees to the right and then to the left. Ready? Here we go. It's going to look like this. But you can come as far as you can. You can come this far. Or you can just take little teeny tiny. This right, left, right, left, right, left. Oh yeah, squeeze those obliques. So we're just sort of pivoting on our toes here. Squeezing those obliques. Squeeze, squeeze. 3, 2, last one, hold, we're holding, tuck, pull your belly up, belly button up towards the ceiling, hold, press, 3, 2, 1, set your knees down, keep your toes tucked, and then press yourself through to a downward facing dog. Press into your palms, into your fingertips. Push away from the mat. Press down through your heels, walk it out. This should feel good. If it doesn't, maybe drop it down to a child's pose. And bring yourself all the way down. We're gonna come onto our backs. So we're gonna just start off with good old-fashioned crunches. I did these the other day, and I realized it's been a long time. Also, I was really sore, so that was a nice surprise. So, meet me on your mat. Flat on your back, heels come in towards your seat. Chin is off the chest, your gaze should be straight up at the ceiling. And then we're just gonna take a nice deep breath in. As we exhale, lift, neck, head, shoulders, up off the mat, lift, lift. So really important we're not pulling on our neck. Make sure your chin is off your chest. It's a lift, lift. And as you bring your head, neck, and shoulders up, dive your waist in, pull your belly button down towards the mat. Lift, lift. Lift, lift. 3, 2, last one. Right knee comes up, left knee comes up, same thing, it's lift. So check in, make sure your knees are not coming in past your hips. Down and lift, down, lift. Stay with it. Down and lift. It's down. Dive your belly button down. Yes, stay with it. Take breaks if you need to. Jump back in. We're moving on in about 10 seconds. Down and lift. Down. Down. Okay, last one. Reset upper body back onto the mat. Knees are right over your hips. Hands come to either side. We're going to let our knees fall over to the right. About halfway down. Nice deep breath in. Exhale, squeeze your oblique, your opposite side oblique. Bring those knees back to center. Same thing other side. Let them come about halfway down. Pull your belly button, dive your belly button down towards the mat. Deep breath in, exhale. Just like this. Nice deep breath in, exhale. Bring those knees back to center. Think about those obliques. Squeeze obliques. Dive belly button down towards the mat. Check in. Knees are not coming in past our hips. And then we want your heels just to be a couple inches higher than your knees. Deep breath in, exhale, squeeze your oblique. Okay, crew, 3 more on each side. Last. One more. Last one on right. Last one on left. Back to center, straighten your legs. It's lift, 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 little lift, lift. It's lift, lift. Ooh. So, working our low abs here. Try to take the momentum out and just lift toes up towards the ceiling. Little lift. Ooh. Little lift. Little lift. 3, 2, last one. Take your right leg over your left. Very slowly. Bring it down. So we want to bring it down as far as we can without letting our ribcage open up. Back up to the top. Deep breath in. Exhale. Lift. Deep breath in. Drop slowly. Exhale. Bring it back up. Deep breath in. All right, on this next one, we're only going to bring it halfway up. Lift. It's drop and lift. If your ribcage feels like it's starting to open up or you're lifting your lower back up off the mat, just work higher. 2. Last one, reset up at the top. Recross your legs, opposite leg comes on top. Deep breath in. Here we go. Slowly lower. Keep your ribcage closed down. Deep breath in. Exhale. Bring it up. Slowly drop. Exhale. Bring it up. Slowly drop. Find your challenge point. Breathe into it. And then bring it back up. breath in, exhale, bring it up. Deep breath in, lower. Exhale, bring it up. Okay, you guys, now we're gonna go all the way down or to your challenge point, and then don't bring it all the way back in. So you're kind of staying in that work. We're not releasing up at the top. Don't forget to breathe and take it as slow as you need to here. Stay in the work. Deep breath in, exhale. Deep breath in. Last one. Bring your knees into your chest. Uncross your legs. Give them a nice squeeze. A little release in your hip flexors. And then rock and roll yourself up. We're coming onto our high knees. Knees should be about hip width distance apart. Excuse me. Okay, good time to grab water. We're moving into some thigh work and then combo work. So your knees are about hip width distance. Stack your ear, shoulders, and your hips. If you have a ball, you can take it between your heels for a buffer, but this is what we're doing. We're gonna bring it down. Any knee problems, you can leave this out altogether. Maybe just take tiny ones, or you can tuck here. Helps too for knees. So bring it down. We're not touching our heels. We're hovering right over them. And then we're stacking ear, shoulders, and hips. Rather than coming forward, when we come forward, we're kind of taking the work out of our quads. So try to stay stacked here. Bring it down and up. Take it down. Take it up. Nice job. Stay with me here. Take it down and up. Nice deep breath in. Exhale. Okay, two more. Very good. Interesting. Last one. Come halfway down. Or to your challenge point. My challenge point is about here. So that challenge point is where your quads are like screaming at you. Take a nice deep breath in. Roll your shoulders back. From here, take a little pulse down. Little pulse down. Little down. It's little down. Little down. Again, the tendency here is to pitch way forward. Takes the work out of our quads, but we really want to put the work in our quads. So fight the urge. Little down, little down, little down. For 3, 2, last one. Find that challenge point, the halfway point. Now tuck your belly button towards the back wall and release. It's tuck. It's tuck. We're still in our challenge point. If you need to take a break, take it. Then jump back in. Tuck, release, tuck. It's tuck. For 5, for 4, 3 more. Stay with me. 2, last one. Bring it all the way down. Holy moly. Back up. Again, down. Up. Full range here, and then we have 1 per set of these. Up. Take it down. Bring it up. Down. Woo. Okay, guys. Last full range. Deep breath in. Take it halfway down again. Or to your challenge point. Here we go. Hold. Stack your shoulders, hips. Little down. Little down. Take it down. Little down. Little down. Little down. Little down. Little down. For 5. So we're going to talk in 3, 2, 1. Here we go. It's tough. It's tough. Tough. Oh my gosh. 10 seconds. It's tough. It's tough. Stay with it. 5, 4, 2, 1. Bring it on. Oh my goodness. Bring it all the way up. Take your right foot forward. Pinch forward, release into your hip flexor. Grab that heel. Bring it in for a quad stretch right away. Gently release. And then straighten your front leg. Nice. Pinch forward. And then come back to our starting position. Feel stretch in your back hip flexor, tuck your toes, lift your back knee up off the mat or ground. Press into your heel. Start the twist from your navel and reach up, facing your bent knee. Working in opposition, stacking shoulders, twisting. And bring it back. Hold. Drop that knee. And then let's switch sides. Opposite leg comes forward. Release into your back hip flexor. And then take that heel in for a quad stretch. Nice deep breath in. Just make sure you're staying forward of your kneecap. Gently release. Straighten your front leg. Hinge forward. Alright, then come back to our starting position. Tuck your toes under. Lift your back knee. Make sure your back heel is stacked right over your toe. Nice deep breath in, and then exhale, take your twist towards your bent knee. Working in opposition, stack your shoulders, reach for the ceiling. Hold. Bring it back. And then step both feet together. Just let your upper body hang, release, press into your heels. You can take hands to either elbow. And then roll it all the way up. Grab your ball. Here we go. So it's coming right in between our thighs, above our knees. If you don't have a ball, you're doing what we're doing without the ball. You'll still get a work. You'll still get some thigh work in. So we're going to just drop our heels, bend our knees, and then we're going to lift. So right away, we're finding a little bit of a chair squat, and then we're just rocking up, lifting our heels. And we're hinging forward at the hips here. So a little bit of the forward hinge, lift. Lift. So you should feel this in your calves, but also as you lift your heels, you should feel this in your quads too. If you have the ball, make sure you've got a nice tight grip on it. Lift. Lift. It's lift. Lift. 3 more. 2 more. Hold the lift. Keep your heels up. Find your challenge point. Squeeze that ball. Keep those heels lifted. From here, we just take a little pulse down. If you need a waist-high surface for balance, you can use a chair or a countertop. Into the jungle. Down. Little down. Little down. Don't forget about that ball. Squeezing that ball. Pitching forward. Don't forget about your heels. Lifting your heels. Little down. Little down. It's down. It's down. Little down. Little down. It's down. For 5. For 4. For 3, 2, last one. Find your challenge point. That means sink a little bit lower. Find it. Sink a little bit lower. Lift your heels a little bit higher. Sink a little bit lower. Lift your heels a little bit higher. Woo, press into your palms. Squeeze that ball. Hold. For 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, drop your heels. You've got the ball. Ditch it. Grab your weights. Grab those weights. So I'm starting off with 3-pounders. I might upgrade to the 5s. We'll see. We'll see how it goes. So we're going to start with a lateral lunge and a front raise, arm raise. So lateral lunge. You want to be nice and wide in your stance. As you come over to the right side, pressing your weight primarily into the right heel. Then we come over to the left side. Your feet should be pretty much, arches should be in line. Reach. Reach. And we're sending those hips back. Send those hips back. Send those hips back. And then with these front raises, palms are facing in, thumbs are facing up. Anterior deltoids. Reaching forward as we send our hips back. Reach. Stay with it. 5 more. 4, 3, 2. Last one. Recenter yourself. Hinge forward at the hips. Walk, tippy toe your feet in a little tiny bit. Weight comes back. And we're just going to take flies. So wrists should be right underneath your shoulders. And then you're squeezing your shoulder blades together. Squeeze. 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 In a chair squat, weight is in heels. Squeeze. Squeeze. Make sure you've got a nice straight spine so you're not arching your neck too much. Your gaze should be 3 to 4 feet past your feet. Squeeze. Squeeze. Nice job. 3 more. 2 more. Last one. Hold. Little sink. Little sink. Sink into those heels. Little sink. Little sink. 3, 2. Last one. Bring it up. Take those arms right here. We're going to go Arnold press. So squeeze, open, up. Press. It's a curl. Press. I think this is where I was going to upgrade to 5ers. So bicep curl, press. Bicep curl, press. So make sure you've got a nice bend in your knees, keeping a neutral spine, press. Try not to use momentum here. Press. Press. It's press. Uh-oh, here comes the dog. My son comes here to do his schoolwork and he watches the puppy. But she really wants to come in here. Stay in it. Okay, 5 more like this and we'll add on. 4. 3. Last one. Here we go. It's in. It's in. This really will get you with these fibers. It's in. It's in. In. 5, 4, 3, 2. Last one. Bring it down. Put those palms. It's out. Little out. It's little out. Weight in heels. Bend into your knees. Little out. It's out. Squeeze your shoulder blades together. Out. It's out. 3, 2. Last one. All right, you guys. So I'm gonna change back to 3-pounders right now. We have triceps. So we're gonna come into our chair squat. Arms come back. Bring it up, just a bicep curl, hammer curl style this time. Take it back. Send your hips back. I kind of want to let her in here, but I'm afraid she's kind of a psychopath. She might like knock the whole table over and stop the recording and make my computer fall, break a window somehow. Back. Back. Take it back. So when we come back for those tricep presses, we're squeezing our tricep to bone, really straight arm. Working in opposition. Pitching forward as we reach back. And then imagine you're moving through water. Really create your own resistance here. Think about those triceps. Think about your biceps as you pull it in. 3 more. 2 more. Hold it back. Straighten those arms. Full straight arm goes back. 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 Pull your shoulders away from your ears. Back. Back. Straightest arms. Squeeze those triceps. It's back. 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 3, 2, 1. Hold it back. Bring your palms in a little bit closer together. Take it back. Bring your palms in a little bit closer together. And take it back. Palms come in closer. Take it back. Pitch forward. Lift those heels. Sink deeper. Hold. For 10 seconds. Stay in it. 5 seconds. 2, 1. Drop your heels. Get rid of those weights. Nice big shoulder roll. Big shoulder roll. And then reverse it. Big shoulder roll. Take those shoulders forward. And then take your arm across your chest. Roll your wrists out. And the other side. Okay, so we're going to try something that I've never actually taught. I've only done it once before. But we're going to go for it. So it's a glute and lower back strengthening stretch. So bear with me. If it doesn't feel good, skip it. But we're going to give it a go, all right? So how it's going to go is we're going to start legs stay straight, come on down, hands to the floor, and we're going to take our right leg, and we're going to take it straight out to the side, then all the way back, tap it down, lift it up, and come all the way back to the side. So the key here is to start from this position, and you kind of lift your leg, so you're using your hip and your lower back to get that leg around. And then we start back where we started, okay? So we're gonna do super slowly. What's going on here? We're gonna do 5 on each side, okay? Just to give it a try. So hands come here, lift your right leg up off the mat, take it straight out to the side, all the way around back, and then bring it back to here. Same thing again. Up, over, and around. Lift, up, around, back. Do 2 more. Lift it up to the side, take it all the way around to the back. Let's do 1 more. All right, that was interesting. Let's do 5 on this side now. So we lift, we take it to the side, around to the back, and all the way back around. Definitely feels a little bit awkward, but I think that's good when we try new things. It should feel awkward, but it shouldn't hurt you in any way. If it hurts your bones or your joints, then leave it out. Okay, I think we have 2 more on this side. Last one. Oh, nice job. Bend into your knees and just let your upper body hang. Roll it up. Roll it up just to come back down onto the mat. So we're going to come back down onto all 4s. Wrists right underneath our shoulders. Just like this. Pull your heel in towards your seat and then just lift. It's lift. If you have a band, you can use it here. You can take it between, you can put it on your thighs, so your range of motion will be smaller. I prefer it like this. I feel like I don't even need the band if I pull my heel in towards my seat. Stay super active, super engaged. Lift, 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 lift. Hold on, what's going on? It's lift, it's lift, it's lift. I don't know what's going on. Hopefully you guys, it's saying no video. It's lift, it's lift. It's lift, it's lift, it's lift. Okay, I'm gonna end and come back in to this really quick. Test, test, test. Test, test, test. All right, is that, can you see now? Test, test, test. Okay, well, hopefully there's video now. So we'll start over. We're on all 4s in seat work. Pull your heel in towards your seat, and then we're just taking our heel up towards the ceiling. It's little lift, little lift. It's lift, little lift. Press into your, evenly into your palms. It's lift. Foot is flexed to start with, lift, and we're pulling our heel in towards our seat. It's lift. Keep those hips square. Little lift. It's lift. For 5, for 4, 3, 2, last one. Point your toe. It's lift. It's lift. Little lift. Little lift. Squeeze your glute, working at the base of our seat. Where seat and hamstring meet. Little lift. It's little lift. Little lift. It's lift. Little lift. 5, for 4, for 3, for 2, for 1. Here we go. We're going to bring our knee into our shoulder, and then take it straight back out and around. It's shoulder, straight, and back. So we're opening our hips up just a little bit to bring our knee into our shoulder. Keeping it pointed toe, keeping a strong quad. Take it back. Take it back. So we've got 30 of these. We're halfway there. This is 15. Take your time. Get that knee as close into your shoulder as you can without opening your hips up. Well, they open a little tiny bit, but 5 more. And you kind of want to stay on one plane. Last one. Take it straight back. Keep your legs straight. It's tap, lift. It's lift, lift. So starting this lift from your glute, squeeze your quad, reach your back leg towards the back wall, really long. Lift, lift. It's lift. Pull your waist in, core is nice and strong as always. 2, last one, restrain your leg, tiny, tiny pulses. We're just squeezing our glute. Squeeze your glute, think about trying to touch the wall with your back leg. So long, so strong. Lift, little lift, 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 lift. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring it forward. Come into a half pigeon. Nice deep breath in, big stretch up, and then exhale. Let your body come forward. Feel stretch in your hip flexor and your glutes. Push yourself back onto all fours. Again, we've got to do the other side now. So, take your left leg back, flex your foot, pull your heel in towards your seat, and let's just lift. Ooh. It's lift. Taking your heel up towards the ceiling. You're super active in your hamstring and the base of your glute. Lift, lift, lift. If your wrists are getting a little bit tired, you can always come down to your forearms like this. Lift. 3 more, 2 more, last one. Point your toe, and then it's lift, lift, lift. Again, all of this work starts from our glute. So take it slow, breathe into it, find that mind-muscle connection. Think about your glute, take your toe up towards the ceiling. Little tap, little tap. Three more, 2 more, last one, lift, can you lift a little higher, point your toe. All right, here we go. We're bringing our knee into our shoulder and then kicking it straight out. So we want to stay along the same plane. I don't know what's going on with this. Sorry guys, stay here. Maybe if I take it Okay. So we've got 30 of them. I'm gonna start from, you're probably on like 5 or something. 6. So this should be about halfway, 15. Okay, that's 30. So keep your leg back, we'll tap and lift, tap, lift. It's tap, lift, tap, lift. So our toe is pointed. Give your glute a squeeze, lift that leg. Reach your leg towards the back wall, so long, so strong. Stay active in your quad, hips are square, core is strong. We are almost there, crew. Stay with me. Lift. It's lift. It's lift. Tap. Lift. Lift. 3, 2. Last one. Hold your lift. Tiny pulses. Squeeze your glute. Little leg lift. Squeeze your glute. Squeeze. Squeeze. Squeeze, squeeze. That back leg is so long. Lift, lift, lift. For 5, 4, 3, 2, lift, hold, squeeze. Reach that toe towards the back wall. Squeeze your glute, hold for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And bring it all the way forward. For a half pigeon. Nice deep breaths. Exhale, bring it forward. Okay, we are almost there, crew. We just have some extension work. Bring it up. Take both legs back. And then we're going to come all the way down to our belly. Take your right hand. Actually, take both hands out front. And we're just going to lift right hand, left leg, squeeze, lift. Squeeze, lift. Squeeze, lift. So keep a nice straight spine. You're staring straight down at your mat, or you can rest your forehead on the mat. Chin stays off your chest. Lift. Lift. Squeeze your glute. Working in opposition as you reach for the wall in front of you with your hands, the wall behind you with your legs. Reach, lift. Reach, lift. Reach. 3 more. 2 more. Or 2 more now. Last one. Bring it down. Bring your hands to either side of your shoulders. Squeeze your glutes. Take a nice deep breath in. And lift. Exhale, bring it down. Nice deep breath in. Lift. Keep a nice straight spine. Bring it down. Lift. Squeeze your glutes. Pull your shoulder blades together and down your back. Hold. Breathe into it. And then bring it all the way down. Beautiful job, you guys. Send yourself back into to a child's pose while I change the song. Hips come back to child's pose. Take a nice deep breath in. Reach forward. And then let your hands come to either side. Release your shoulders. Press yourself up onto all fours and let your belly button drop down towards the mat or floor. Deep breath in, exhale, round your spine. Up. Deep breath in and exhale. Let's do one more. Deep breath in. Exhale. Tuck your toes under and press yourself through. One last downward dog. Press into your fingertips. Press yourself away from the mat. Release your head, neck, your jaw. Walk your hands to your feet and roll yourself up one vertebrae at a time. All right, nice deep breath in, root down through all four corners, and bring it to heart center. Thanks, you guys. I think we might have had some technical difficulties there. I'm not sure what happened, but thanks for tuning in, and I'll be back on Thursday. Oh boy, my dog's ready to go. Have a good one.